Welcome to my channel Old Worth Coins. The value of 2014. United States 5-cent coin. Without mint mark in today's market. Introduction. Hey there, coin enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of coins and collectibles. Today, we are talking about one of the most common coins in circulation. The 2014 United States 5-cent coin, or Jefferson Nickel without a mint mark. Is this old coin just pocket change? Or could it be worth more in today's market? Stick around as we break down everything you need to know, including how to identify this coin, its current value, and what factors might make it special or valuable. Section 1 Overview of the 2014 Jefferson Nickel. First, let's talk about the coin itself. The 2014 Jefferson Nickel is part of the long-running series that began in 1938. On the obverse, or front side, you'll find a left-facing portrait of Thomas Jefferson, the third President of the United States. This modernized design was introduced in 2006 and features Jefferson's signature in the word liberty. On the reverse, or backside, you'll see a depiction of Monticello, Jefferson's famous Virginia home. This design, created by Felix Schlag, has been a staple of the Jefferson Nickel since its debut. But what makes this coin unique is the absence of a mint mark, meaning it was produced at the Philadelphia Mint. Philadelphia-produced coins don't carry a mint mark, making it easy to identify. Section 2 Why are these coins so common? In 2014, the United States Mint struck over 1 billion Jefferson Nickels at the Philadelphia Mint alone. This massive production number means that these coins are widely available in circulation. Chances are you've come across one in your pocket change without even realizing it. Because of their high mintage, these coins are not considered rare. However, that doesn't mean they don't have any value beyond their face value. Let's take a closer look at their worth in today's market. Section 3 Value of the 2014 Jefferson Nickel without mint mark. Now, let's talk about the current market value of the 2014 Jefferson Nickel without a mint mark, particularly in old or circulated condition. 1. Circulated condition. If your coin has been used in everyday transactions and shows signs of wear, it's worth face value, which is just 5 cents. This is because the coin is so common that collectors aren't willing to pay a premium for worn examples. 2. Uncirculated condition. However, if you have a 2014 Jefferson Nickel that has never been used and remains in pristine uncirculated condition, its value can increase slightly. These coins might sell for around 10 to 50 cents, depending on their condition and luster. 3. Error coins. Now, here's where things get interesting. If your 2014 nickel has an error, such as a double die, off-center strike, or die crack, it could be worth much more, sometimes $5 to $50 or even higher, depending on the rarity and type of error. Error coins are highly sought after by collectors, so be sure to examine your coin carefully. Section 4 How to identify valuable 2014 Jefferson Nickels. Visuals close-up of coins with arrows pointing to key areas like the date, mint mark location, and design details. Wondering if your 2014 Jefferson Nickel is worth more than 5 cents? Here's what to look for. Check the mint mark. If there's no mint mark, it's from the Philadelphia Mint. Coins from Philadelphia are generally more common, but they can still be valuable in uncirculated condition or if they have errors. Examine the condition. Coins in excellent condition, with no scratches or discoloration, are worth more to collectors. Look for errors. Use a magnifying glass to inspect the coin for any unusual features, like doubled letters, off-center strikes, or die cracks. These errors can significantly increase the coin's value. There are a few key factors that determine the value of your 2014 Jefferson Nickel. 1. Condition. The better the condition, the higher the value. Coins graded as mint state or proof are the most valuable. 2. Rarity. While the 2014 no mint mark nickel is common, Coins with unique errors or low mintage varieties can be worth more. 3. Demand if there's high demand from collectors. For a specific type of error or condition, the value can increase. Sign.